Good morning, everyone. It's 31st Jan, guys, and you can see this moss like weather is favorable for everyone. And I, c- I am just guys in a park, and it's early morning, guys. Today, just I'm gonna tell you some just crucial things, guys. If you work over there, then you can make your life impeccable. Uh, Yeah, guys. Now, first of all, I would like to tell you this. I came late. Yesterday, I had in dinner I had a stogy food. So at morning, just I woke up uh, at 6 o'clock, and you can see. But this boy, I mean, he came early than me, and he was running when I came here. So now, guys, without just wasting our time,
Hello friends.
I'm gonna tell you just
I'm gonna tell you.
how can we just guys improve your
I'm gonna tell you.
life and how can you grow in your life. So, guys, there are many things we have to work with passions, guys. First thing, guys, consistency. Yeah, guys, I observe one thing in my life also. Like sometimes I feel I'm unable to just sit on a on chair and somewhere for a long time, more than 5 hours and 6 hours. Guys, it's you can say it's my weakness. And then, guys, I observe it's not only my weakness. Yeah, most of them, they don't have that. They don't have capability to sit on one place for 6 hours, 7 hours, guys. And in even every day, if you make consistency, guys, you can just make possible everything. Consistency holds the key of success, guys. And if you work continuously, guys, over something, definitely that work will be yourself. Like if I talk about English, so I can make you assure, guys, if you work, if you practice only, guys, uh, 90 days, 90 days, if you practice continuously only, guys, 1 hour, I mean 60 minutes, so guys you can learn. You will not take like just 1 year, guys. 1 year target, I mean 1 year, 1 year work you can done, guys, in only 90 days. But thing is that you have to make consistency. And guys, I would like to also just give you some bullet point I acquire from my father and from my family, guys. In my family, just everyone wakes up early in the morning. Like usually my mom and dad, they wake up at 4 o'clock. Yeah, so just you can say my entire family, we are in habit of waking up early in the morning. And my mom just does like household work, and my father just goes to his work. So, guys, second bullet point I would like to tell you, consistency I'll acquire from my father. Actually, my father, even I just observe whenever he was under the weather and he feels like not energetic and lethargic, still, guys, he goes to his work and he performs his responsibility. So that's why just if I talk about my father life journey, when he in 2019, guys, when I was in 10th class, so my father just left the Delhi and left his work, and he went to his I mean our village to reside there. He decided just actually his health was not good on that time. He went and he started living in village, guys. But something came off and my father came in Delhi, and once again, guys, he started working. And, guys, I learned, and now my father has better life than, guys, 20 and just 15 years ago my father had. If I compare my father past and present, so my father present life is better, guys. Not better, best than rest of life. So
आपके साथ
I
बहुत
learn
moment रहा है
I learned from my father, never ever give up, never ever lose your hope. God is omnipotent and God is around you. I mean, surrounding you. Only thing is that you have to work on yourself and you have to, guys, believe on yourself, and as well as you have to believe on God and be honest towards yourself, love your family, love your nature, and see God is everywhere in every person. Respect every person, guys, and then you will feel, yeah, just you have some unique quality someone doesn't have. And guys, if you can help someone, please help as much as you can. I mean, as your capability. And guys, second thing I learned, like my father just gave money. I mean, just whenever just help someone ask help from my father. My father helped me, guys. But among 4 and 5, they didn't just return my father money. Even approx, guys, 4 and 5 like, yeah. They didn't give me. They didn't give us. So guys, I don't see, just repent on my father face. My father always say to me and uh, like give me lesson, love you. Even you don't have to just cheat someone, you don't have to work with the dishonest with someone, you don't have to fleece, you have to be honest. If someone fleeced you, I mean, guys, cheat you, it's okay by somehow, but guys, you love, I mean, you don't have to cheat someone, guys. So that's why my father was fleeced many times, but my father hasn't cheated someone, guys, yet. And this quality I also adopted, guys. If you just honest with everyone with your work, so definitely you all get growth, progress in your journey in your life. And otherwise, if you don't, then guys, even God will never help you. So my father also just gets help by just God, guys. Once again, he just there is no one line, just rise again. So I learned,
तो चलो ना
I learn how to just rise again in life from my father. So just learn from your family. And guys, my father I also acquired, just being present. It's a beauty of life. And if you guys live in present, then you will feel like, oh yeah, it's a beauty of life. And you will have not worry on your face, and brightness, guys, and energetic and happiness. You will be delightful. So why we should not live in present, and why should we just think about past and future? If you think about past and future, then guys, there would be worry on your face, upset. So just keep away yourself from those all stuff. And guys, just keep on having a smile on your face. And now, guys, it's all for today. As I told you, like, as I said you, I came late, so now it's time to just do meditation, yoga, and it's time to rest my words, everybody. And guys, one thing I would like to tell you, as I committed on 1st Jan to just record video, just approx 10 minutes, okay. But guys, most of videos you all get on my YouTube channel more than 50 and 20 minutes, guys. Even one, and there are 2 and 3 videos, time is guys, more than 40 and 30 minutes, yeah, you all get. So yeah, I just did it continuously, guys. And now I completed my this month target. And guys, in February I'm gonna give target to myself. Actually, guys, this February is gonna be so special. It's gonna be just decide my future, guys. Why I'm saying to you all, actually, guys, in March my exam will be held. I have been preparing for long time due law exam, guys. I'll appear in exam So I'll appear. So that's why I have only left. I have only 1 month. So I have to put my heart and soul to score better marks. But still, I'll record video. But guys, I'm gonna give some different target to myself. Yeah, regarding English speaking. Actually, I did in every month. I'll do some different. I'll record video, but content will be different, and the way I speak will be different. New words, phrases, idiom I'll use, guys. So okay, just give target to yourself and just hang out yourself on YouTube, my channel Walk Talk, and just give target to yourself with me. So thank you for watching and just keep on having a smile. Take care of yourself. Bye bye, tata.